In this video, you will learn how to fix a compromised site in Google Ads. First, secure your website. Ensure your website is secure by updating your password and installing security patches. Use a reputable security tool or service to scan for malware, vulnerabilities, or unauthorized access. If possible, back up your site. Make a backup before making any major changes. Identify the compromise. Look for any signs of malicious code, redirects, or unwanted content that could have been injected into your site. Check if the site's page are redirecting visitors to external sites or showing unusually strange behavior. Fix issues. Remove any malware or suspicious code immediately. Clean your site's database and files to ensure no harmful scripts are left behind. Restore affected pages. Form a secure backup. Request a review from Google. Once your site is secure, go to Google Search Console and submit a reconsideration request. Explain that your site was compromised, but you now have fixed the issue and implemented security measures. Monitor further issues. Continuously monitor your site for any unusual activity. Set up Google Alerts or security monitoring tools to manage alerts or tell you about any new vulnerabilities. Review Google's ad policy. Make sure your site complies with Google ad policies. If your site was suspended, ensure that all the policies are met before you reapply for ads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.